Pinang Peranakan mansion, man. This place is super close to my hotel, so I thought, okay, why not just visit this place as well? But look at this place, man. This is like old school, you know, Chinese styled living room. This is really interesting. And there's a super nice dining table over here. Like every room is unique features. Like the dining room is, look at this dining room. It's crazy. Beautiful. And there's like a English tour in 10 minutes, which is also nice, you know, because you can look with your eyes, but you can only know so far. There's another dining table over here. Really beautiful. Broken displays considered sold. Well, fair enough, fair enough. If you break something, you buy it. Look at these dining table chairs, man. These look absolutely beautiful. Like, very old school. You know, back in the days, you know, when it's like 90s or 20s, these were probably like hideous. But if you look back at it right now, 2025, these kind of chairs, they look very nice, you know, like very unique. I have to be careful, yeah, not to break anything, because if you break anything, you're gonna be buying it, man. Check out. Amazing. Look at this. This building is amazing, man. You know, always with these old Chinese buildings, that if you go over a doorway, a pathway, there's like a elevated thing, so you won't, so you have to step over it. Look at all the beautiful details, man. It costs 25 ringgit to enter this building, so it's definitely a museum kind of thing. Look at this room, really beautiful. This looks absolutely amazing. It's an amazing building, you know. I'm not really sure who owned this kind of place, but man, this looks grand. Welcome to the second floor, everyone. And let's give a tour around this area. This is really beautiful because you have to remove your shoes because it's not allowed to walk here with your shoes on, and there's like a very big open space here, which is really beautiful. Gives a lot of light in the house, and you can just walk around here. Like there's also like porcelain, lots of phoenix. The tour guide explained it to me. Phoenix means nyonya, that's like the girl, and the dragon is the baba. So you can only see phoenix over here. I think you can see it over here, like phoenix, pottery, porcelain, or what do you want to call it. It's amazing, man. If you have that in your own house, that would be beautiful, man. There's a bedroom over here. Just giving you a small tour. Oh, there's people taking pictures. It's not really good to interrupt those. Let's go to the other bedroom. There's another bedroom over here. Really old school. Actual TV. Clothing of the women. It looks like this. Really beautiful. And if you got an old school vanity table, the vanity table doesn't really change much throughout the years. It's still the same, like we've got the same one from IKEA, and it looks almost the same. Only the shape is a bit different. A radio, wow. That is old school, man. Oh, this is even a more beautiful vanity table. Wow. They really know how to posh themselves, right? Oh, there's another bedroom over here. This is a different vanity table. We've got another bed over here. Nice mat. Really nice. Is this a radio? Damn, hot damn. It is. That's a big radio, yo. We've got hair brushes. Wow, those looks really beautiful. And a mirror, I think. Let's walk around a bit more. Put on my shoes. I don't know how long I've been here. It's at least hour and a half, but good fun. Definitely recommend it, man. Let's check out the souvenir shop, shall we? Peranakan Mansion souvenir shop. Wow. So many cool things you can buy here. I'm guessing like a lot of people buy these clothing so they can have like the photo shoot option. Okay, good afternoon everyone and welcome to a food court which is very close to my hotel. So this food court is... Do you have herbal jelly? 仙草
仙草
是这个
哈，漏水要吗？2本。
2份。
2本仙草。One 啊。
One. All right, order a drink as well. Just randomly. Weld food court. Okay, that's the place. What it's called. Lots of food stalls over here, and I ordered a ayam lemak, I think, and the greatest standoff of the char kway teow world. Yesterday we ate the char kway teow at the Julia Street, and let's see how this fares against the food court. This is the food court variant, which is also like a food stall, but it's I didn't have to wait for 25 minutes in line. Let's unpack this kind of like a present, you know? You unpack this present. Oh wow! Look how beautiful it is. This is a lot of food, man. I'm actually not that hungry, but you know, I felt I had to try it. You have to try this. You know, eat good stuff and try it. Let's go for the char kway teow first. Hello. 4块。1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. 好，谢谢。All right, 仙草。It's actually 豆水. You know, I'm not really a super big fan of soybean milk, but I drink soybean as well in Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur, and it was actually quite okay. So maybe this will be okay as well. Let's try it out. The char kway teow in the food court. Weld food court. What a name, man. The char kway teow here in Penang is a bit spicy. I said a little bit spicy, but this is actually quite spicy as well. So imagine if you have like the full spice, it will be crazy spicy. I will show you in a moment what the food stall looks like. It's like run by an auntie or an uncle, I don't know, man. I think it was an auntie, but the uncle was cooking, so yeah. Uncle's char kway teow. Right from the bat, you know, you can tell this is a bit less spicy than the one I ate in Julia Street. A little bit less wok hei. The other one has more wok hei. But still, I don't think this is any worse than the Julia version. This is quite good actually. Two shrimps, the same amount as the uncle in Julia. Let's try the herbal jelly drink. Ooh, it's actually not bad. This is actually quite expensive, 4 ringgit. It's almost like one dish. Sometimes a dish is like 6.50 or something. But not too bad, man. But I must say, the Chulia one still wins over this one. I like Penang char kway teow style because it's a little bit spicy. I think the normal one without spice is a little bit boring. I'm not really sure, like, if you sit down here that you have to buy a drink. I just assumed you have to. But anyways, it's just to support the locals, you know, like the local people here. They deserve it. They work hard. And by the way, this ayam was 3 ringgit. That is mega cheap. It has like chicken, ayam, sambal, a big piece of chicken. Well, actually it's like sambal and only chicken. So there's not a lot of things in it. Let's just try it out. Let's swap plates. Let's try out the sambal. How the sambal is. There's a lot of sambal in here. Wait, before I take a bite, I want you to take a look. Look at this. This is the chicken. There's a lot of bone, so not a whole lot of meat. There's only like sambal and rice. So yeah, that's basically the damage. Let's try it out. Sambal rice. Sambal life, man. This is like Indonesia. Oh wow. That is spicy. Spicy. There's not a lot of meat. But that's okay. I wasn't really hungry anyway. These portions are like okay size, so it's just good for a snack. Wow, there's more bone than meat in here, man. Sambal is really spicy, man. This food court looks so fun, and I just had to try it. Just had the Peranakan mansion. It's really recommended, man. You should really do it when you come here to Penang. And there's like a English tour, 40 minutes, and you're all up to date on the history of that mansion. It's really cool. This is really spicy, man. Not too bad. It's really good, man.